Melbourne and Victoria, a surprise at every turn, presented by Visit Victoria and Singapore Airlines.
Hello everyone, I'm Chef Guntas, and as you all know, we are here in Melbourne. But today, I don't have Shibani with me. I am instead going solo and exploring the streets of Melbourne. Today, I have Martina with me. Hi Martina.
Hello, hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Thank you so much for coming and thank you for having me.
I'm so excited for you to be here because she's going to take us around some of the hidden gems.
Absolutely.
So let's go.
Yes, let's go.
Melbourne's bustling laneways are known for their ever-evolving street art, hidden cafes and creative energy. This lane is beautiful. It's gorgeous and I love how vibrant it is.
It's actually called AC/DC Lane because it was the very first music laneway of Melbourne. So if you were a musician from anywhere around the world, you would come to this place here, the Cherry Bar, and you would try out your music. So it's no longer that place anymore, but we absolutely love it and we embrace it still as our music laneway of Melbourne.
And I love that there's actually this whole thing going on.
That's the lead singer of AC/DC,
that's
Bon
so
Scott.
Cool.
Absolutely. And as we turn the corner here, as I mentioned earlier, this used to be the rag trade area of Melbourne. So they were all factories, if you like, and warehouses.
And they're warehouses which have been converted into restaurants.
Absolutely.
Oh, how nice.
Yeah.
I mean, wow, I feel like I want to stop everywhere and take a picture because it's so cool. Like, look at that.
Like this one. We call this guy the tree man of Melbourne. We love him. So every laneway always looks so different because anyone has the freedom to come in and paint.
I think that's what I love the most about Melbourne. It's such a cultural melting pot.
Another beautiful day in Melbourne. While Guntas is doing her own fun things, she has packed an action-packed day for me. And the first stop is right here at the iconic Melbourne Park that hosts the Australian Open. Well, trivia time. Now let me tell you, this park, Melbourne Park, holds a world record for hosting the highest number of tennis fans during a Grand Slam event. Well, to tell us more about this historic place, I will be meeting my guide, Catherine, very, very soon. Catherine, I'm so excited to be here. What makes this place so iconic?
Look, the Australian Open, Melbourne Park, where the Australian Open is held, just gets bigger and better every year.
Yeah.
For example, last year we had 1.14 million people. 2024, this year we broke the 1.2 million. It's a beautiful venue to visit. Whether it's got 6 show courts in arenas or stadiums, and then it has the outside courts that people are able to, with their ground pass, come in and see some amazing tennis.
Do you also play tennis?
Yes, when I was younger, I'm not very good, but yes, I enjoy watching the tennis like many people from all around the world.
So Catherine, I can tell you that I'm going to try my hand at tennis. I haven't played tennis at all. Let's go.
This is the iconic Hosier Lane.
Hosier Lane is all about the street art
And
the
creativity.
food. And what you'll find here is often what's going on in people's minds or what's going on in the world, you'll see actually on the walls as well. So it's great. It's freedom to be creative. And you'll see a lot of passion on these walls as well from wherever everyone is.
This is so beautiful.
It's very good.
Thank you. absolutely gorgeous. I literally feel like I'm back, you know, in the
Back in time, absolutely.
Yeah,
Back in
and
Victorian time almost.
Absolutely.
So how it's got its name is quite interesting. So back in the day in 1892, the activity of the day, because there's no pubs or anything around, so
Right.
what they would do the block. So they'd promenade, they'd come out Collins Street, Elizabeth, Burke Street, and so forth.
And that's why it's named the block.
Exactly.
Oh,
They named
okay.
it after the block arcade after that activity, which is pretty interesting. So we are in the very iconic Degrave Street, and this is when you're going to try one of our very best coffees right here at Degraves
Coffee.
Espresso. Beautiful.
Excited. Okay.
It is amazing. They make their own blend, which is actually this one right here.
Oh,
It's
okay.
absolutely divine. And you're in very, oh, here we go. Beautiful
Thank
flat
you.
white. And a magic.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.
much. It's
Thank
wonderful.
you.
Thank you.
Wow, that
So-
smells incredible. But mine's a flat white.
Yours is a flat
Yeah.
white. There you go.
I
Swap
think
that around.
you can't come to Australia and not have a flat white.
That's right. Flat white and Melbourne, they go together.
Thank you so much, Martina, for showing me around. Melbourne truly is every bit different.
Thank you so much for coming to our Melbourne, joining us in our laneways, having coffee with us as well. And please, we look forward to you coming again.
Thank you.
I am at yet another amazing destination in Melbourne. Well, this is the place where the first ever test match was played in 1877 between England and Australia. Well, of course, I am at MCG. Yes, the iconic Melbourne Cricket Ground. And to tell us more about this iconic venue, we are joined in by Brian. Brian, tell us more. How many Indian visitors do you get every year, and what is that they want to see while they visit the MCG?
We would probably have about 30 or 40,000.
Every year?
We get
Wow.
180,000 people coming through visiting the MCG, and a
Yeah.
lot of Indian visitors who come on tours
Yeah.
and come through the ground. They love to see the Sachin Tendulkar and Bradman photo,
Yeah.
and just to see the ground and come down on the ground and just get a feel for being at the MCG and being part of the story.
Thank you so much for giving us these insights. But now, take me on a tour right here.
Okay, let's have a look at the ground.